Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and today we're looking at the solar LED wall lights by JHBOX. These lights are compact and made of ABS plastic, so they should be able to hold up for a number of years. They automatically turn on when it gets dark enough, and they turn off again when it's light, whether that be ambient light or daytime light. You can see here we have ours mounted on our fence posts. Here they provide subdued lighting, which not only provides some light in a dark part of our yard, but it's also a nice decorative touch. I can see these working well on a fence as we have here, as well as a step light along an outdoor staircase in the dark. While it's not necessary to have direct sunlight on the panels, this will charge the batteries much faster, and it'll help them reach the 8 to 10 hours of working time that is claimed. So it's worth considering when figuring out where to place these lights. The model we got was a cool white, which gives a more modern look, but they also come in a warm light for a more comfortable scene. If you're looking to add some nice decorative lighting to your outdoor area without the hassle of running wires, these solar wall lights by JHBOX might be the solution for you. And that's my point of view.